Very quick steward, I'm afraid.
That's the bird makes two of us. We'll be fine. The sound of the woodlands is quite incredible.
Oh, tell me what, it's a different world down here.
Yeah.
You feel different when you step into this wood.
Yeah. And this is one you've known most of your life, isn't it? Yeah. Well, when I was a kid, I spent most of my time in and around Clibbury, really. Had to be back in time for lunch, but we knew every nook and cranny. We were on the bridge, the little footbridge just coming down from Norgrove's End onto the main track through Mawley. Lovely quiet evening. Now when I was down here in the winter, this glade here, they got a big marquee up in there for the shoot.
Yeah, for the shooters.
Yeah.
Well,
it is beautiful.
There's a little bit of interesting history here.
Okay.
I'll show you. We'll stump in a minute. There's an old wild cherry tree, big old wild cherry tree.
Okay.
And it had a wild bee's nest in it for years. And very often you'd see the cone, you know, and the honey running down it.
Yeah.
But nobody had the courage to,
Yeah, go and get it.
So they were a bit sharp, shall we say. Was it?
But it,
They were a bit sharp, these bees, right?
Yeah.
But as long as I can remember, up through the 60s, 50s, 60s,
Yeah.
they were there, like, you know. There was somewhere here, I think.
Yeah.
Someone probably bulldozed it out, but there used to be somewhere here, I think.
Yeah.
Big old cherry trees.
Things like that, you know, I used to know where every gooseberry bush was within about a mile of home.
Ah,
Yeah.
I know. This is where the story begins.
Okay. We've got about 2 hours left on the card, so we'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, don't take that long, I assure you. Down here one Saturday afternoon, midsummer, early to midsummer.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. And I was walking back along here, and the cottages were up then.
Okay.
No, everything was up then. I suppose this would be, I don't know exactly the dates, late 60s, something like early 70s maybe.
Yeah.
Don't know. And as I say, somewhere roughly where that tree with the ivy in, give or take.
Yeah.
There was the two posts and a rail across, then another post. You know, obviously they had a kissing gate on it.
Yeah.
I got from there up to about that beech tree up there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
The big one?
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, everything changed.
Okay.
Everything was that much clearer and, you know, in
Yeah.
perspective. The light changed. It was that much warmer. The birds sang that much louder. The insects you
Yeah.
could hear. You could smell what was there.
Mm.
And I had the strongest impression of a nun standing in this gateway,
Excellent. Yeah.
where this kissing gate was just there.
Yeah.
I can't say I saw it as I see you,
No.
but it was whether I turned around and looked, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I mean, she'd got a black habit on with white inside
Yeah.
the hood, white inside the sleeves.
Yeah.
It wasn't one of these with the butterfly things on
No.
the
No.
floor.
No. No.
So I must have seen something for it to have stayed with me this long.
Yeah.
And there was just nothing frightening about it. Far
No.
from it. It was just a normal sort of thing.
Yeah.
The strange thing was, about a fortnight before that, and this is where I'm not sure about my dates,
Mm.
they'd knocked the chapel down at the hall,
Oh right. Okay.
and they disturbed a casket in front of the altar. And
Yeah.
they reckon, so I was told, that it was, they reckon it was a nun that had died down here.
Yeah.
And whether that's true or not, I don't know.
Well, they say that people will haunt where they died.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
Whether that, you know, it was a combination of things
Yeah.
and over imagination, I don't know.
Well,
But
not so
As
sure.
I say, talking to my sister
Yeah.
only a few nights ago, actually, we've done a FaceTime thing, and she said the same thing, that she's had experiences down here where it changes. Things change.
Yeah.
You know, the
When you-
atmosphere changes.
When you look at it down here now, there's not a mechanised sound.
Beautiful, beautiful. It's where I come to if I want to recharge my batteries. I come down into
Yeah.
the woods.
It's your happy place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely fantastic.
For me, that's Cafton Common.
Yeah, but
I
this.
always gravitate more to the moorland than the woods,
Yeah,
which is odd because I love the woods also. But
yeah. But as I say, what this was, I don't know. It was just, you know, an impression I got back.
yeah,
You know, I'm sure there's a logical explanation.
that's it.
Bound to be.
But let's not worry about that one too much.
No.
No,
For the story, well.
that's it.
But that makes it sound. A story isn't really the right word for it, because that makes it sound like it's made up, and it wasn't.
No,
It
it's
happened.
yeah,
I am convinced it happened. I'm
Yeah.
convinced that I saw something,
that's it.
though it was
Well, it's like
only in an impression.
well, it's like I said to you. I used to stop at that one place every day when I was on the milk round all those years ago. And for God, when was that? That must have been 93, 94, something like that. 94, 95 maybe. And I used to swap the van round in the same place every day. So swapping the van round involved taking all the empty crates off the top,
Yeah.
emptying the van out, putting the empty crates on the bottom, and putting the fresh full crates on the top. The same place every day, in a gateway up at the top of Buckeridge, and every day it felt like there was something watching me. Every day. Yeah.
So you get places.
And it wasn't an unsettling thing.
No.
It was just there's something else there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the things that happened in the past are bound to have left some sort of impression on the surroundings. You know.
Yeah.
Bound to have done.
That's it.
Oh, this is beautiful. Isn't it?
Yes.
You know, let's face it. Good God. Absolutely incredible.
I used to mountain bike through here an awful lot in the 90s.
Did you?
Yeah.
I used to come through here when I used to go to. When I was about 13 or 14, I used to walk back from the cinema around here.
Yeah.
I used to start running when I got in in the trees up there. I never bloody stopped till I got over the railway track.
Yeah, I used to have a thing. My mate had a video shop in the middle of Clibbury,
Aye.
and we used to do 20 minutes. That was the challenge. From the video shop up the main road, down Mawley Drive, round here, right up to the Rookery and back.
Well, that takes a bit of doing.
You know that bit down the bottom of the
Did you
hill?
have done it before? The other way? Up Rowley Brook?
No. But no, we used to come down that. I used to come down that bank at the bottom here, full chat. I mean, if I'd hit anything, it would have been game over. But you don't think about risks when
No, you don't.
when you haven't got kids
Well,
and you haven't got a mortgage.
when I was endurance riding, I used to train on these around this estate and what
Yeah.
have you. And from that concrete bridge, I used to inevitably end up there at bloody just as it was getting dark.
Yeah,
And my thoroughbred, I was riding a thoroughbred stallion then,
yeah,
and I used to let him go.
yeah,
Just lie down across his neck, and of course lying down across the neck it means go faster. And
Yeah.
he bloody did.
yeah,
He'd go like bloody clappers. I mean, he had to lie across his neck because he would have been swept off otherwise of the
Yeah.
low-lying trees.
that's
Until
it.
he come to one of those wooden bridges, and then
He'd
he'd
have
have
a
to sit up and he'd slowly, automatically slow down and
yeah,
be careful. But the bugger got to know, and he enjoyed it as much as I did.
that's it.
Oh, it set the adrenaline going, I'll tell you that would. Absolutely marvellous.
That's it.